Alright guys, I'm gonna put you guys in the mailbox so I can see what it looks like inside. Alright? It's my stupid gate. All you gotta do is just gotta fling it like that. And then it'll just pop right open. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys in this mailbox. Alright? Let me just get a good position for you guys. Alright, y'all good? Alright, see ya. Alright guys, now I can see how you looked. Alright, I just go like that and then, yep, it'll close.